YouTube channel. I'm Huda Naveed and today I'm here with an amazing tutorial for you girls. Yes, as we all know, Valentine's Day is approaching and love is in the air. So I decided to create a very soft glam sort of look for this day. Now I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day, but today I wanted to give a message to all of you ladies, all of you pretty girls who are watching this tutorial. Self-love is most important and you have to feel beautiful and look beautiful for yourself. No matter you have someone special in your life or not, you have to feel and look beautiful for yourself. And that is why I've created this look for you that you can wear for yourself most importantly. Before we get towards the tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button, yes, the one below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.
So first I'm taking a Smashbox primer water and using it as primer. I recently got it and I'm loving this product so far. Next I'm taking Masarrat Misbah Makeup Silk Foundation in shade Fair for a nice and even coverage. I'm blending the foundation using Sigma Beauty 3D HD Kabuki brush, which is great for blending foundation and for a great coverage. Now I'm taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural and applying it on my eyelids as a base. To blend it, I am using Sigma Beauty 3D HD Precision Brush. Next, I am taking Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease Brush. I am taking this shade Fearless from Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief Mattes palette on the brush. I'm applying and blending the shade in my crease and in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm nicely blending the color using Sigma Beauty E38 brush and taking it slightly above my crease. Doing the same on the other eye. Now I'm taking the shade Underdog on the same blending brush and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm blending it slightly in my crease too. Now I'm taking Sigma Beauty E37 all over blend brush for further blending the shades. Now I'm taking this shimmery shade 4 Star from Sigma Beauty Nightlife palette on my finger. And I'm gently applying it using my fingers on the center and inner corner of my eyelids. Taking the Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease Brush once again to blend in the colors for a nice soft diffused look. I'm taking the same shade 4 Star from Sigma Beauty Nightlife palette and I'm applying it using Sigma Beauty E32 Exact Blend brush on my lids once again to make the color pop out a bit more. Now I'm taking the shade Underdark from the same Makeup Revolution palette on Sigma Beauty E15 Flat Definer brush and I'm applying it on the lower outer half of my eyes. I'm taking the shade 4 Star once again from Sigma Beauty Nightlife palette on the flat definer brush and I'm applying it on the lower inner half of my eyes. Now I'm taking this black shade from the Sigma Beauty Nightlife palette on the same flat definer brush and I'm applying it on my eyes as an eyeliner. The eyeshadow is super pigmented and looks great as a liner. Time to do my brows, and for brows I'm using Sigma Beauty Brow Powder in shade Dark, which I absolutely love. And I'm applying it using Sigma Beauty E75 and E80 dual ended brush. I've added false lashes off the camera and now I'm fixing the corners of my liner once again. Using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade C6 to hide my dark circles and also to clean out any mess or fallout during eyeshadow application. I'm blending the concealer using Sigma Beauty P88 Precision brush. Now I'm taking the first shade from Sigma Beauty Nightlife palette on Sigma Beauty E32 brush to highlight my brow bone. Using Makeup Obsession C111 Banana Powder to set my concealer and to set my makeup. Taking the darkest contouring shade from Artdeco Most Wanted Contour palette to contour my cheekbones. For my cheeks, I'm using this gorgeous shimmer cream by Sigma Beauty in shade Brilliant. And I'm applying and blending it on my cheeks using just my fingers. You can use a buffing brush, your favorite sponge, or even your fingers to blend this shimmer cream. And I love the natural looking glow it provides. Time to add some more glow, and for that I'm using ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in shade Wisp. I'm using Sigma Beauty F35 brush to apply and blend it. For For my lips, I'm using ABS lipstick in shade Soft Pink, which is a gorgeous light pink shade. Lastly, using the Smashbox primer water once again as setting spray, and the look is complete.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, and yes, give this video a thumbs up and leave your lovely comments. You'll be seeing me very soon in another video on the TheLipstickholic YouTube channel. Till then, take care and goodbye.